Speak English confidently. Come in. Andar aao. Repeat with me. Come in. Go out. Bahar jao. Repeat with me. Go out. Hold on. Ruko. Repeat with me. Hold on. Move aside. Hud jao. Repeat with me. Move aside. Keep quiet. Chup raho. Repeat with me. Keep quiet. Pay attention. Dhyan do. Repeat with me. Pay attention. Write down. Likh lo. Repeat with me. Write down. Look here. Yaha dekho. Repeat with me. Look here. Get ready. Tayar ho jao. Repeat with me. Get ready. Wake up. Jago. Repeat with me. Wake up. Calm down. Shant ho jao. Repeat with me. Calm down. Speak clearly. Saaf bolo. Repeat with me. Speak clearly. Listen carefully. Dhyan se suno. Repeat with me. Listen carefully. Think again. Fir socho. Repeat with me. Think again. Stay here. Yahi raho. Repeat with me. Stay here. Come quickly. Jaldi aao. Repeat with me. Come quickly. Go slowly. Dheere jao. Repeat with me. Go slowly. Be ready. Tayar raho. Repeat with me. Be ready. Follow me. Mere piche aao. Repeat with me. Follow me. I am coming. Main aa raha hoon. Repeat with me. I am coming. I don't know. Mujhe nahi pata. Repeat with me. I don't know. I will go. Main jaunga. Repeat with me. I will go. I will try. Main koshish karunga. Repeat with me. I will try. I feel happy. Mujhe khushi ho rahi hai. Repeat with me. I feel happy. I feel tired. Mujhe thakaan lag rahi hai. Repeat with me. I feel tired. Let's go now. Chalo ab chalte hain. Repeat with me. Let's go now. Come with me. Mere saath aao. Repeat with me. Come with me. Stay with me. Mere saath raho. Repeat with me. Stay with me. Listen to me. Meri baat suno. Repeat with me. Listen to me. Where are you? Tum kahan ho? Repeat with me. Where are you? What is this? Ye kya hai? Repeat with me. What is this? What is that? Vah kya hai? Repeat with me. What is that? Who are you? Tum kaun ho? Repeat with me. Who are you? How are you? Tum kaise ho? Repeat with me. How are you? Why are you here? Tum yahan kyun ho? Repeat with me. Why are you here? What happened now? Ab kya hua? Repeat with me. What happened now? Where are we? Hum kahan hain? Repeat with me. Where are we? What are you doing? Tum kya kar rahe ho? Repeat with me. What are you doing? Look at this. Ise dekho. Repeat with me. Look at this. Follow for daily English.